How to apply the magic eraser on Canva. So to apply the magic eraser, first of all, open up your Canva and make sure to log in, and then choose a photo that you would like to apply a magic eraser. And after choosing, simply click on the photo, and then you will find edit photo option on the upper corner. Click on that, and here you will have magic eraser under the tools option. So if you have a pro version, then you can simply click on the magic eraser and you can use the magic eraser as it is saying on this side of the screen. So you can erase anything. You can simply adjust the brush size, and like this you can erase the thing. So if you have a pro version, then you can use the magic eraser. And that's it, guys. That's how you apply the magic eraser. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.